Hey guys, hope all is well. I just wanted to take a second to let you guys know that I switched my name from Sweetlou Productions to PortzJ Tech. I mentioned about doing this before, but I had to make an intro and outro, so I made one, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so this is the TG01-0023W. Has that 400 watt power supply, 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM, the 256 gigabyte SSD NVMe, and then the Ryzen 5 3500. Alright, today guys, we're going to be installing a new hard drive to get some storage space upgrade. I did a SSD install, but this is for people who either want to save some money or just want a hard drive for mass storage. Today we're going to be using the Seagate Barracuda. Let's begin. First, like always, you're going to pop this off. Then you're going to slide this that way. Once you get all that, you're going to pop this off. This just pulls up and off. Then you're going to take these 3 tabs and lift them up. Turn this on its side, undo this, then you have this little screw right here. Once you get that removed, you can pop this out. This just pulls up too. Alright, you're gonna make sure you have your Sata cable and the cable to power your hard drive. These should come with your computer, but if they don't, then you can just order these online. It's a simple 4-pin and basically to power your hard drive. So you can find them on Amazon or eBay. This goes right here. Sata cable goes right here. Once you have this out and you make sure that you have your SATA and then your power cable, you'll take your hard drive and it will go in this way. It cannot go in this way and fit under the side panel. So you'll have to install it like this. And once you do that, there are 2 holes for the screws, one right here, one right there, and another 2 on this side, one right there and one right there. Alright, here you go. So it's supposed to look like this. Both screws on both sides. These 3 tabs align with right here, here, and here. Before you push it all the way back down, put your power to your hard drive and then the SATA cable. And then turn your computer like this and put the screw back in right here. Grab your front panel, plug this back into here, wiggle this in a little bit, and you know you'll have it in. And then all good whenever you hear the 3 little clicks. Put it outside so you can see. First click, second click, third click. Alright, then once you have that, you're going to take this piece, align the 3 little tabs right here, take the screw and put it back in, grab your side panel, and then tighten this back up. Just like that, you've installed a new hard drive. Hope you guys enjoyed.